With UVISION, the game changes. A smart loitering system launches, arrives at its destination, loiters above the target, waits for the right moment to strike. Result: mission successful. The battlefield game is changing. Timing is everything. To deal with elusive, time-sensitive targets and multi-dimensional threats in complex, asymmetric conflicts, a new paradigm is a must. The Hero family, UVISION's array of game-changing lethal loitering munition systems, presents a new approach to meet the ever-evolving challenges of today's battlefield using Hero, with its innovative multi-directional maneuvering capacity, combines both surveillance and attack capabilities in one ultra-smart semi-autonomous system, including transfer of control between echelons. The UVISION Hero family offers a wide range of systems for deployment from air, land, and sea, ranging up to 250 kilometers with different types of warheads, fuses, and EO/IR payloads. The Hero family covers the entire spectrum from tactical to strategic needs. The UVISION Hero family provides any kind of combat unit with firepower and accuracy that until now was reserved only for higher operational echelons. Maximum efficiency is achieved through embedded abort capability, automatic re-entry into the loitering mode, target re-engagement, or parachuted return to recovery. Lethal and precise, lightweight and intuitive, multi-operational platform, air, land, and sea, suitable for all military echelons. UVISION Hero, your battlefield game changer.